Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the triple crochet stitch. So this leaves a really relaxed look, and if you compare it to the double crochet one, it is more airy, so a lot of see-through holes here in this fabric. So to make this stitch you will need to put the yarn over the hook twice before going into the first stitch. So with double crochet you would be wrapping one time from back to front, but here you will be wrapping 2 times. So this is 1 time wrapping around the hook and 2 times. So before going to the first stitch I have 3 loops on my hook. So with these loops on my hook I go to the first stitch. So see the small V here with the 2 bars. So I put the hook from front to back under these 2 bars here. So actually I have now 5 on my hook. So and to pull through the yarn I will need to wrap it around my hook from back to front and cross the 2 bars here I had with the first stitch. So now I have 4 loops on the hook, and with each pull through I will be crossing 2 loops on the hook. So I will first wrap the yarn around the hook 1 time and pull through the 2 loops. So 3 left. I will wrap the yarn around the hook 1 more time, still 2 loops to cross, and with the final pull through I wrap the yarn around the hook the 3rd time and pull through the 2 loops I have on my hook. So this is a double crochet stitch. Let's do it once more. So yarn over the hook twice before going to the stitch. I go to the stitch under the 2 little bars, yarn around the hook, pull it through the stitch, and now 4 loops on the hook, and we'll be crossing 2 loops with each pull through. So yarn around the hook 1 time, pull through the 2 loops, yarn around the hook the 2nd time, pull through the loops, yarn around the hook 3rd time and pull through the loops. This is it. Hope it helped you, and good luck with your crochet project.